Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. So we have an expression right here and we have to find the partial fraction decomposition of this one. So first thing we have to do, we have to look at the denominator and see whether it is factorable furthermost, right? So in this case, this one, if I try this one, b square minus 4ac, this is going to be, so b is 2 square minus 4 times 1 times 6. So this is 24 minus 4. We are getting negative 20. So this is not factorable, right? So we can say this is a irreducible quadratic. That's what we say when we have something like this. Irreducible quadratic. So therefore I can't factor this one. So in this case, what I can do, we can take the fraction as it is. Instead of changing anything, we can keep it as it is and take the fraction. So if I take the fraction for this one, the first fraction is going to be x, and the second fraction I'm going to take the whole thing, x squared plus 2x plus 6. But in the top, we always have to take one power less. So in this case, this x has one power, so the top one is going to be constant. So let's say this is the constant a, and the second one, if you look at this, but the power is 2, so I have to take one less power. So in this case, what I'm going to do, b times x, also we can pick up a value constant, so plus c. So this is one power less than the denominator, and that's the main thing. So let's do furthermore. So now to eliminate, the second thing we try to do, we try to eliminate the denominators. To eliminate this denominator, what I can do, I can multiply by this whole denominator both sides. So if I do this side, this is going to be x times x squared plus 2x plus 6, and I'm multiplying the same thing other side too. So multiply this whole thing by x times x squared plus 2x plus 6. And if I do this side, this will cancel each other, and if I do the other side, I will get a times x squared plus 2x plus 6, because x cancels and we left with this one. And the second one, it's going to be bx plus c times the x, right? And we have now simplified this one. So we have this one right here, 3x squared minus x plus 4 is equal to this one. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to equate these coefficients right here. So these three coefficients, before x squared, before x, and this value. So let's try to do this. To do this, I have to simplify this one a little bit more. So let's multiply everything. So this is going to be ax squared plus 2 times ax, so 2ax, and then we have 6a plus bx squared plus cx. So let's bring all the x squared together and then x's together, and this is going to be equal to 4. And let's do that part. So if I do bring the x squared together, a and b has x squared, so we can add it together, a plus b, and then I'm going to take the x common. So if I take the x common, we are going to have 2a plus c, and we other side we are going to have 6a. So this is the thing we have. Now all we have to do is we have to simply equate the coefficients. So equating coefficients, right? So we have 3 in front of x squared, here we have a plus b, so 3 is equal to a plus b. And the next thing we have minus 1, so minus 1 is equal to 2a plus c, minus 1 is equal to 2a plus c, and the third one we have 6a is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to 6a. And the third one is making everything easier. because we can directly find the a from this one. So a is going to be equal to 4 over 6, that is equal to 2 by 3. So if we know the a, we can simply find the b and c by substituting this value. So let's substitute this value in the first equation. So if I bring this one right here and substitute, 3 is equal to a, we know that already, 2 by 3. 2 by 3 plus b, therefore b is equal to 3 minus 2 by 3, we can say 9 over 3 minus 2 by 3, that is equal to 7 by 3. So we have the b value right now, and now we have to find the c value. We have a, b, then c. C is going to be equal to minus 1 is equal to 2 times a, we know that 2 by 3, 2 times 2 by 3 plus c, and if I multiply this one, this is going to be 4 by 3 plus c, therefore c is equal to minus 1 minus 4 by 3, we can say this is minus 3 over 3, minus 3 over 3 minus 4 over 3, that gives us minus 7 over 3. So now we have a, b, c. All we have to do is simply substitute in this original expression right here. So if I do that, I will get 2 by 3 divided by x plus beta, b, we know that already, that is 7 by 3. So 7 by 3 x plus minus 7 by 3 over x square plus 2x plus 6. We can simplify a little bit more, like I can bring the minus together. Minus plus minus is going to be minus, so it's going to be 2 by 3 over x plus 7 by 3 x minus 7 by 3, and in the denominator we are going to have x square plus 2x plus 6, and this is the partial fraction decomposition for this expression right here. I hope you guys liked this video. See you next time.